Hi everyone, so you can see on my screen that Mark Zuckerberg recently introduced their new emoji on Messenger, and that's called sound emoji. Basically, this is a kind of emoji that you can send to your friends and your family on Messenger chat, and it will play a sound when you send this emoji. Basically, this will not autoplay. When someone click on this emoji, it will automatically make sound of this emoji. So here you can see they show this demo on his account. You can see they are showing and sending this kind of sound emoji in their messenger, and in this video I am also show how you can send this kind of sound emoji to your friends in your messenger. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to check if your messenger is to the latest version. To do this, you just need to go to messenger in your Play Store, and here just after coming to your Play Store or App Store, just search for messenger. You can see my messenger app successfully updated. There is no latest version because I updated recently. If there is update option available in your messenger, then you need to just click on this update button and update your messenger app. Once you are done, you just need to click on this open. So after opening, you can search for any friends and family you want to send this kind of messages. So if what I do, I just go to my personal account. This is my account, and if I want to send any kind of sound emojis, I can just click on this bar, and from here you need to click on this emoji icon, and there will be a new option to send this sound emoji. Here you can see on the right side there is the option sounds. You can see this icon here, this sound icon, and if you go below, there will be a lot of emoji. They are just adding this kind of sound. There will be more in future. This option is just released yesterday, so there is only limited icons. So now how to send this, you just need to click on any emoji, like you can see this one, and once you click, you can hear the preview, and if you just select any other, you can also listen to the preview of this sound. And if I go another one, this Kamrul, and once you are confirmed which one you want to send, you just select this one and then click on send button. That's it. Now once your other person will just click on this button, and he can listen to the sound of this emoji. So this is how the sound emoji actually work on Messenger, and I hope you understand how you can send this to your friends. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you learned something new, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you guys on the next video.